What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to the channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys, I know we've been saying buy the dip for a while, but how many more dips can there be? The dip keeps dipping. Every time you buy the dip, it dips another 5–10%. But that is the whole. I see a lot of these comments coming across in the videos, on the Facebook, on the Twitter. Look, guys. The whole Russell 2000, the small caps, mid caps, they're all getting, destroyed right now. It's not just metamaterials, it's a lot of other stocks. Go look at a lot of retail investor stocks. Just go check them out. If you follow the same kind of small cap Russell 2000 stocks like me, every single one of them's red for these last probably 3 months, at least 20 to 40, 50% down. So like I said, guys, know what you hold. Right now, just kind of laying low. I was buying more MMTLP. That's kind of where I've been putting the cash, because I think we're going to get a quicker return out of the divvy than what we're going to get here out of possibly metamaterials here in the near future. But speaking of metamaterials, we got to go to George's official Twitter. He has a post out here, and he talks about here, based on the foundational smart materials and photonics, technology platform MetaMaterials is enabling next generation multifunctional materials that are scalable, sustainable, and more efficient across multiple industries. Here he has a picture of a checkerboard, and it says the analogy to be made between investing and the process of learning chess. The opening variations in chess are like having focus on short-term results with cheapness based solely on backward-looking statistical metrics. There is a gentleman down here further in the post that says this picture here is a checkmate. Now, I'm not super knowledgeable on chess. I'm more of a checkers person than chess. But there is a person down here. Maybe we'll get out and find that comment where he says about this. Here's a setup for checkmate, which would mean we're getting close. Also, we're going to touch more base onto that as well. George here says, but in chess, the end game is comparable, focusing on long-term results and the qualitative aspects of a company. There are lots of examples from 80s and 90s, the history at Intel, where companies were being ousted as failures or worse. We can all see where they are now. That is true. We can definitely see where. All right. And I did want to give a shout out. This person here did say, we have your trust and true investors can see the potential. You are speaking about keep it cool, Dr. P. Dr. Palacaris, I'm going to say Dr. Pepper. That'd be pretty cool. We talked about that, possible divvy and shares in the other company. All right, here real quick as well. On John Berta, if you don't know who John Berta is, he is the former CEO of Torchlight. That's right. And he shared the petition. I got this on my Twitter as well, but I wanted to show you here on John Berta's official Twitter page. You can see down here, this person here said, I dare you to share it, John. And right there, he commented back, I did. So I signed it earlier. Here we got John Berta signed the petition, and he shared it on his official Twitter page. That is pretty cool. I'm going to say thank you to John for sharing that. We can go up here to my official Twitter page. If you're not following me, go follow me at the official @TerryZ247. We're approaching 1,500 followers, guys. Also, if you're looking to start a brand new brokerage for the beginning of the year, Webull has a great promotion right now. You can limited time offer, get 5 free stocks valued up to $8,300 by opening a Webull brokerage account. So go check that out. Link right here. I'll put that down in the pinned comments of this video as well. Also, we got metamaterials here on Twitter. We are excited to exhibit at the CES 2022, which we know Sterling's going to be there. So that's going to be pretty exciting to see what Sterling has at the live event in Las Vegas, January 5th through the 8th. Join us at the booth number 9253 to learn more about NanoWeb for automotive, 5G, and much, much more. And there you got the AR, metaverse, and go beyond. Here you can see the NanoWeb de-icing, defogging, AR fusion, the augmented reality, the NanoWeb, 5G and 6G, and NanoWeb automotive antennas. Here is where I shared this post. I just signed a petition. Like I said, this petition was basically talking about CaresDAO and their short and distort wrong kind of short report they put out on metamaterials. We know that's a load of crap. So if you want to sign a petition, that's if you believe that short report, you don't agree with it, that it's wrong, go sign a petition. And I think that could be it. We covered in yesterday's video the potential for the dividend, so I just want to bring it back up again. Let me get this box out of the way. All right, so yeah, this is kind of the big catalyst here for us right now, in my personal opinion. I know we got a lot going on. The stocks right now, we still got 11 days in the year. There still could be some tax loss harvesting. There still could be people fearful of Omicron and how fast it's picking up on infections. But this dividend here is going to be really huge for Meta's, investor base right now. It's going to be all about trust. And this here is posted by Market Moves, and Jay Bridge shared it. So I want to give another shout out to Market Moves. Oil prices from $30 to $120, and you can see our average of oil from $70 to $80. We're looking from $35 to $43 divvy. So I can tell you right now, if we get that divvy and this stock's trading down to $2, woo! There's going to be a move. There's going to be a move. Now, this is all based on the 3.2 billion barrels of oil. Go check out the previous videos. We covered this here about this dividend situation, but super excited about it. I can see this definitely going really good right now. And George putting out that post about the chest definitely makes me think that something is coming. Checkmate, man, something is coming. There's all these little hints. And we know John Berta said not long ago on his Twitter page, I can't remember if it was a post or whatever, but he said it's just a matter of a few weeks. Let me see if I can find it here, guys. He said it was a matter of a few weeks. We would be getting... All right, let's see here. See if we can find it here real quick, course. Yeah, here it is. Interesting comments. At this point, the situation is binary. The folks who started trade MMTLP gave everyone an exit ramp if you choose. If not, you can hold and see what transpires over the coming weeks. Either way, you or the holder are in control. He posted that on December 3rd. Here it is, December 20th, 17 days later. We should be, getting down to the wire. He also added a comment. I cannot comment further until all the information is public. And for him to say that, guys, I think we're getting very, very close. The initial date was that December 28th. They did come out with the press release and talk about how that's getting pushed back. So maybe we'll get some news about the drilling and all that. Maybe that'll come up. Maybe they'll give us some kind of PR here to get a little, maybe somewhat of a rally. But let's go take a look here at the Fintel, guys, and see what we got working here. We here on the short interest. Let's refresh it just to see. All right, so the short squeeze score did go up a little bit. We are at a 79.09, ranked 219 out of 5,500 stocks. A good thing here to know is that there's only 45,000 shares that's available to short. So keep that in mind as well. There's not many shares left to short at this leading prime brokerage. Short borrower fees of 1.98%. So the fee's pretty cheap. But here is where I want to say the shorts are not giving up. They are driving down this price. And Carisdale Capital is probably happy right now because I think they started this around 260 or 280, I want to think, when they did that short report. So, yeah, they're looking pretty good right now, but it's going to be the long term. We know how shorts are. They get greedy. And they're going to get too greedy, and this thing's going to take off with some good PR coming up. So we got the FINRA short volume ratio at a 59.20. Almost 60%, guys. We don't have the aggregate short volume ratio yet. Let's see, last time, so the day before we had a 58 and we ended at 60.53. We're probably going to be like a 61 or a 62 on the total of the short volume ratio. I did want to point out as well, the last failure to deliver numbers we have is almost a month old, back on November 30th, and it was 69,000 shares. That's 69,000. There's $69,000. Only 18,000 shares. So not really too many there on that report of the failure to delivers. It says as of the 17th, our short interest percent of float was at 10.02. And as of November, the short interest percent of float is 17.92. So guys, I just want to end the video here with saying that I know it's tough. It's brutal to see here what's going on with the stock. But like I said, go look at all the other stocks. If you're looking at large cap stocks, they're doing great. But you go down to mid caps, mid cap, and definitely the small caps. The Russell is getting beat down. There's a lot of great opportunities right now. I think January will start to turn around. I still think you got kind of the big money on the sidelines, and they will be forced probably here beginning of the year sometime to start putting that money to work, because we know of inflation, your dollars are losing money just sitting on the sideline. As crazy as that sounds, but your money is getting devalued by not investing. So they're going to reevaluate their portfolios. They got their investors that want to get returns on their money, and they're going to look at where's the best value in the market right now. It's going to be in the small cap and the growth stocks. So I do see a rally. It's just a matter of when. That's the problem. It's a matter of when we're going to see the rally. So, whew, this was a good one, guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.